Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are very fine. Today, we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 8, Clothes. In this chapter, we are going to know a lot of things related to our clothes. We are wearing different types of clothes in our daily life. We use uniform to go to the school. We wear very comfortable clothes at home. Whenever we are going to enjoy our festivals, we used to wear very colorful and the bright colors, right? So that it will enhance the beauty of the festival. Today, we are going to know that about the brief introduction of this chapter. Okay, today we are not going to start the explanation of the chapter. We are just going to know what we are going to know in this chapter. Okay, that means a brief introduction of this chapter we are going to have today, and after that we will discuss the definitions also. Okay, so first of all, why do we wear clothes? We used to wear the clothes because we have to protect our body. Okay, day to day the temperature of our environment is changing. Sometimes it is cold, sometimes it is very hot, sometimes it is windy. So if we used to wear the clothes, then it used to protect us from the climate. Second, it also protects us from the germs, because if we will not wear the clothes, then different type of germs can just affect our body directly, and with the help of the clothes, the germs are present on the clothes, and when we used to wash our clothes, the germs are killed. That's why we used to wear the clothes, and after wearing the clothes we look beautiful also. So when we will reach to this topic, we will discuss more, but for today we are just going to discuss this much only. After that, what we are going to know in this chapter is which type of clothes we used to wear in the different season. Okay, you all are knowing in the summer season we used to wear very light clothes. Okay, light colored clothes in which we can feel comfortable, whereas in the winter season we used to wear woolen clothes so that we can feel warm, whereas in the rainy season, okay, we used to wear the waterproof clothes so that we cannot get wet. Okay, next what we are going to learn in these chapters is very important, how these clothes are manufactured. Okay, these clothes are manufactured, okay, in the different processes. First, spinning process is there, then after weaving process is there, then after we used to dye the clothes to give the beautiful color, and finally they are stitched. Okay, and after that that cloth is ready to wear. So that's it. Now we are going to discuss definitions. Okay, definitions related to this chapter. First definition we are going to discuss is fiber. Okay, what is fiber? If we will talk about the fiber, then fiber is a thread like structure. Okay, what it is thread like structure. It can be developed in the laboratory also, and we can get it from the nature also. Okay, so fibers are like a thread. Okay, have you seen the thread? That thread is known as fiber. That is the smallest unit of our clothes. If your clothes sometimes are tear, okay, it is torn, then if you will see some threads are coming out, that is known as fiber. Okay, and this is the smallest unit of the clothes, okay, from which the clothes are made. So fiber is a long thin thread woven together to make yarn. Okay, now what is yarn? Yarn are the bundles. Okay, as you can see in the picture, yarn is a bundle, okay, in which they are present. Understood? So thread like a structure is fiber, and when these fiber are collected, then it is known as yarn. Second we are going to discuss is spinning. Okay, the second process in the method of making the clothes are spinning. Spinning is the process of making yarn from the fiber. Okay, if fibers are ready, we are taken the fiber, we have taken out the fiber from the plant, then what we have to do, we have to collect and arrange that thread, okay, so that it can be used later on. Okay, so just making the yarn, the big bundles of the fibers are known as spinning. Okay, as you can see, it is known as spinning because it used to spin, and during this spinning process the fibers used to rotate and it is collected in the bundle. Okay, that's why this process is known as spinning. Next we are going to discuss is weaving. Okay, weaving is the process of twisting two sets of yarn to make fabric. Okay, in this process only we are getting different fabric means the small pieces of the clothes. Okay, here you can see the woman is taking the different color of the thread by the different yarn. Purple color thread is taken, yellow color thread is taken, and green color thread is taken. Green color thread is, that means fiber, is taken from the green yarn. Pink color fiber is taken from the pink yarn, and then they used to twist with each other, and then after this process we are getting the fabric. Okay, the small piece of clothes that later on attached with each other to make the cloth. Next we are going to discuss is uniform. You all are very familiar with this. Why? Because every day you are wearing, okay, you are wearing the beautiful uniform, okay, school uniform. Why? So that you can be recognized from which school you used to belong. If you are wearing this uniform of the new era, okay, from the far distance anyone can recognize that you are the student of new era. So this is the benefit of the uniform. Okay, these help to recognize the different profession also. Have you seen the doctor used to wear the white coat? Okay, have you seen the lawyer used to wear the black gown like dress? Okay, and after seeing that only we recognize which profession they belong to. So let's read the definition. Uniform: special clothes that are worn by the different profession to identify the job of people are called uniform. Okay, this, first of all, this give the uniformity. Okay, and in the school, okay, everyone looks equal. Okay, no one is special, no one is okay, inferior, everyone is special, everyone looks same. Okay, this is also the benefit, and it can also give you identity, okay, from which profession you belongs to. If you are wearing the school uniform, that means you are not belonging to the profession but student. Now the last we are going to discuss is a synthetic fiber. Just now we discussed what is fiber. Fiber is the thread like structure now, but these thread like structure can be obtained from the nature also, which is known as natural fiber. But nowadays, as you are knowing, human being has developed themselves a lot, no? So they are able to make these fiber in the laboratory also. As you can see, one woman is making this in the laboratory. So some of the fibers can be made in the laboratory. Okay, and what are the example? Like nylon, rayon, polyester, terylene or terracotta. Okay, these are the example of the fibers, okay, which are made in the laboratory. Okay, and that's why these are known as synthetic fibers. These synthetic fibers are made by the human beings by using chemicals. That's why when we used to wear these type of clothes, we little feel uncomfortable. Why? Because these are not natural. Okay, but sometimes we use these clothes because these are actually more durable. Okay, yes, it is not comfortable, but sometimes it is durable. Okay, so we can use these type of clothes for the different purposes. I hope you all have understood this chapter, and next we will start the topic of this chapter. Okay, keep on learning, read the chapter and learn the hard words also. Thank you so much.